The concept of swapping, just swapping the first and last elements of the array. Or first one, a very simple one. Suppose a few elements are there. Let us take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Swapping the first element and the second element in the array. The locations are important. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0th location element and first location element you have to swap. And we know the swapping concept. With the help of one temporary variable into the temp, first place the 0th location element. So this 10 0th location element will come and store into this temp variable. Temp holds the value 10. Now you can store the 20 in place of this 10. 20 you can place in the 0th location. Nothing but the first location element you can store into 0th location. Into 0th location, we can store the first location element. Next here you have to place 10. 10 already you placed in temp variable. So the temp variable value we need to store into this first location. Into ARR of 1, into the first location, store the temp value. So that 10 will store here. But only the question is, so swapping successfully completed, but after swapping, that swapping completed or not, you can understand only by printing the values. So that is a very, very important task. That is a very important task. Now, 0th location and first location elements are swapping. With the help of temp variable, just temp equals to ARR of 0 into ARR of 0, storing ARR of 1 into ARR of 1, storing the temp value. But the point is just printing that after swap, the elements we are printing. The elements we are printing I less than or equals to just n minus 1 and I plus plus, we are printing just giving that space separator enough space. After swap, see before swap values are 3 7, after swap values are 7 3. Just write print so that side by side will print. Before it is 3 7, 3 7. After swap it is a 7 3, 7 3. This is what swapping the first and second elements in the array. So swapping first and last elements in the array, just last element is n minus 1. And here it is the same into n minus 1, the temp value 3. Last element is what? 8. The first location element and that last location element both are swapping. 3 8 become 8 3. Look at this. After swap, 8 and 3. 8 and 3. This is what swapping the first and second elements, swapping first and last elements of the array. Please do.